Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. And how are you? Today is our actually last week. This is week 14, right? So in this session, I will explain to you not all actually, because you can read it, and I just explain some of the calculations in this tutorial. I understand that you have so many things that you want to do because of to prepare PSM, right? To prepare the PSM, but you still need to learn this because I don't know, maybe the third one will pick up, will take some the final exam questions in tutorial, but I'm not sure. That's why based on this tutorial, please I explain some number that maybe become your basic foundations to make a calculation for all question. Right? Okay, in this section we have two tutorial actually, tutorial 5 and tutorial 6. Okay, in this tutorial, in the tutorial 5, this is about annual word analysis, right? I think you already read everything in slide annual word analysis. This is the in the chapter 5. Okay, you need to read this all the thing here, and this is also have some example that may be useful for you. Okay, we start from number 1, yeah. Okay, starting from number 1. Where is it? Okay, list 3 assumptions that are inherent in the annual word method comparing the alternative. Okay, in here maybe you just can open the slide. In slide you can see, yeah, this is the answer. The assumption is first services needed for at least the LCM. LCM is least common multiple of 5 of alternative, and the second is selective alternative will be repeated in succeeding life cycle in same manner as for the first life cycle. The third is our cash flow will be same in every life cycle. For example, this is like will change by only inflation or deflation rate. This is the answer for number 1. Okay, for number 2, okay, number 2. Okay, 8 years ago, Malacca Truck Sendirian Berhad purchased a large capacity dump truck for, this is purchase mean cost, right? Cost mean minus, right? Cost mean minus. For 115,000 ringgit Malaysia to provide short haul earth moving services. The company sold it today for 45,000 ringgit. This is our income, right? It means we get money from the selling. Yeah. Operating and maintenance cost average is 10,500 per year ringgit Malaysia, and a complete overhaul at the end of years for cost of year 4 cost an extra ringgit Malaysia 3,600. Determines the annual cost of SRAP at 8% per year interest. Okay, annual analysis is we want to know the annual, right? The given P, yeah, presents is this is the cost. This is like normal, yeah. We just know the 8%, yeah. This is for 8 years. Just put this one in using the table, and you try to set the value. And this one is the this is the operating maintenance cost. Yeah, you just minus because this one still considered as cost. And also you need to, I think this one you need to make it easy, you just classify all the costs first. Yeah, this one is also cost, this one is cost, this one is cost. So you just compile all. Okay, this we want to know P, they give us they give an F, yeah, because this one is for 3000, this one. This is the picture. Okay, because at the end of 4 years. So this is given to find P, given F, and then this one we need to calculate with the A, to find A given P, yeah, 8% and 8% and 8 year. Okay, and this is our income. This is the we get the income from the selling because the company sell. Okay, given A to find given F to find A, yeah, annual. You want to know the annual, right? With this percentage, and this is years. So we will get the annual worth analysis with the 26,740 per years. Okay. All right. Wait a minute. Okay, the next is about, I will try to read to you. 10 years ago, Bukit Katil Enterprise purchased a worker for ringgit Malaysians 285,000 to move disabled 18 wheels. He anticipates a salvage value of 50,000 ringgit after 10 years. So this one salvage is 50,000 after 10 years. During this time, his average annual revenue total is 52,000. And then analyze whether he recover his investment and 12% per year return. And if the annual M&O cost was, okay, maintenance and operation cost was 10,000 years and increased by a constant ringgit Malaysians 1,000 per year, determine the annual work positive or negative at 12% per year, with assuming the ringgit Malaysians 50,000 salvage was realized. Okay, first we need to know, we need to compare between our capacity capital recovery. Yeah, we need to calculate capital recovery with our revenue, okay, per year. So we compare. After we see this one, our capital recovery is minus 47 something, and then our revenue is 52,000 per year. So revenue is higher than our capital recovery. So it means, yes, he did recover the investment. So the calculation is like this. You can see here the process to calculate it. And the annual worth is the ringgit Malaysians 9,175 per year. This is what's negative. This is cost. Okay, you can see this one. This is the calculation. All right. So annual work cost was negative. Okay. Okay, I directly go to number 8. I think for the next number, you can read, try to see how the answers become, and try to clearly identify and with the answer given to you. Yeah. Okay. Racing and Performance Motor Corporation wishes to evaluate two alternative CNC machines for engines building use the annual awards method at 10% per year to select the better alternative. So which one is better, machine R or machine S? For the first cost, okay, cost is S is higher. This one is 250,000. This one is 300,000 something. And annual operating cost per year, this one machine R is 40,000. This one machine S is 50,000. Salvage value or revenue is 20,000, and this one 30,000. Life years, okay, this one is 3 years, and this one is 5 years. Okay, you can see here, this one is more expensive actually, right? But the life of the machine is, this one is longer, yeah, than the machine R. So we need to calculate between for the annual work analysis. We need is better. Even this one is with the higher, like a longer life cycle, but based on our calculation of cost, okay, here the cost of machines R is lower. Okay, so we consider that is the best alternative is the machines R. Okay, try to find this one. Okay, this one is the cost, yeah, to find to find A given P, and then this is 10%. Okay, this one is three uh 3 years life cycle. Okay, for this one is same thing, yeah. This is 5 years. Okay, this one is also cost for annual operating cost. This is the salvage. Salvage is plus. Yeah? This one is plus. Salvage is given to find A given F. Right? So this is the answer. Okay, for number 9. Compared to alternative for a security system surrounding a power distribution substation using annual watt analysis and interest rate of 10% per year. Same like this, we want to know the alternative between security system. Yeah, this is Condi, this is Toro. Which one? Based on the cost evaluation, okay, this is we can put the result. Okay, I mean this is the cost. Okay, cost, and then we want to know given P to know A with the value of 3. Okay, this one is 10%, 10% per year, and minus, this is the annual cost, this is the salvage. If you just add salvage with the 3 years, 10s, and to find F, yeah, using the table A per F. So we will get the result minus 80,000 per year something. Based on these calculations, we assume the same thing, yeah. The process is the same. This is one, the total is minus, okay, this one the cost is only 15,000. Okay, based on this, total is smaller, so we can invest for total for the alternative. All right. For the next 10 and the others question, maybe you can read, okay, by yourself and try to analyze the question and answer. Yeah, this is clearly very clear to explain to you. If you understand, that we discuss together. All right, we go to tutorial 6. Okay, wait. Okay, in this tutorial 6, this is about the nominal effective interest rate. Okay, here has so many questions. Maybe I will try to give you some, yeah, and then you try it by yourself. Okay, Okay, an interest rate of 20% per year, yeah, per year, okay. Compounded every 4 months. Determine the effective interest rate per year. Okay, they ask about I, right? I is the, maybe if you open the slide, the equations or the formula will be 1 plus, yeah, plus R, yeah, okay, divided by M. Sorry, actually I need to buy the tablet. This is, I use mouse, quite difficult. Okay, and then this one is square M and then minus 1. Okay, you use this number, okay. M for 4 months, you just use 4, and then the value of 20, for example, this one is 1 plus R is 21. 21 means 0.20, okay, per M, okay. M is, what is the M? This is 4, right? Okay, this one is 4. Okay, and then minus 1. Okay, sorry, this one is close this. Okay, and the result you can calculate. I will try to calculate it. Yeah. Okay, based on the calculations like this, yeah. 1 is this one, yeah, 1. Okay, and then plus 0.21 over 4. Okay, this one 0.21 over 4, the value is this, yeah. This one divided by this, we will get this. All right, and this one 1 is the plus 1, this one, yeah, plus 1, this one, and then this one is minus 1, yeah. And try to calculate it. Okay, 1 d19, this one 1 plus minus plus this 1 over 4. Okay, 0.21 over 4 will be 0.05. This one is A10, right? E10 and square 4. Okay, and then plus 1 or minus 1, sorry, minus 1, and the result will be 1.20. Okay, this is 1.22. Okay, and then we do minus with the minus 1, it will be 22.7%. Okay, the result is almost same, yeah, 22.5%. Okay, and then okay, this is a same thing, yeah, can calculate it with this formula. Monthly mean, okay, per 6 month. Okay, you need to find R first. Okay, you need to understand quarter. What is the quarter? 3, right? So per 6 month. Okay, this is the M. Okay, and then you try to input this value. After you find R, you will get this value. Okay. Okay, number 6. When interest is compounded quarterly is 4, right? And a uniform series cash flow for 2000 ringgits occur every 6 months. State the time period on I and N must be used. Okay, the answer is I must be an effective rates per 6 months. Okay, this is every 6 months. And must be the number of semi-annual period, right? Okay, maybe the next you need to try by yourself, because the one just give me like this. I also a bit need time to do it all. But the third one, the third one give us the what is that, the key, I mean the answer. You need to find it. If the your finding is correct, so it will be correct. All right, maybe that is for this tutorial. Thank you very much for your attention. Sorry for this limitation. Okay, you need to try by yourself for this, yeah. And then thank you very much and good luck for your final exam. And I'm sorry for everything, for my mistake and my limitation during this class or this semester. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.